So I'm going to tell you about an amazing tool that you probably didn't know you have if you have System Mechanic Pro or System Mechanic Ultimate Defense installed on your machine, and it's called Search and Recover. So first, a little bit about Search and Recover. Have you ever accidentally deleted a file, whether it's a music file, an email, or maybe it's a precious photograph of your family member, and you wish, oh my gosh, I've lost it forever. How am I going to find it? Well, this tool is going to help you find it, and it's going to do it for you really quickly. So let's show you how to get there and how to do it. So first things first, you're going to pull up System Mechanic. Make sure you're on the Performance dashboard, and then from the Performance Home dropdown, we're going to select Toolbox. In the list, I'm going to select Search and Recover, so click on that. And now you have the Search and Recover dashboard, and you'll notice you've got search location, save recovered files location, and Smart Scan and Strong Scan. Okay, so let me explain all this to you. So the first things first is the search location. So right now, by default, it's selected my main drive. So this is the C drive, and I have an external drive hooked up via USB right now, and that's this D drive. You could select Browse and select anything. You can even select a specific location within this external drive to place the files, but it's really important. You can't search and save to the same drive. So you're going to have to set it up to where you can send the files somewhere, whether that's an external hard drive or a USB memory stick. So that's really important. So make sure you can do that. And you can also switch this. So like you could actually search an external drive and then save it to your internal drive. So we could flop this. I could search the D drive that I have set up and save it to the C drive. Okay, now let me explain the Smart Scan and Strong Scan. So you can actually click on these little eyes and it'll give you a little tooltip. So right now it's telling you it's going to eliminate irrelevant and useless junk files. And so what this is going to do is going to speed up the search process, right? So that initial search process is going to be much quicker, and it'll find the files for you that way. Now, if you feel like you need to search everything, you're going to go down here and make sure you have selected Strong Scan. And once again, this tooltip will help explain that to you. For the purpose of this video, we are just going to use Smart Scan, and I'll demonstrate the search functionality. So I'm going to go ahead and hit search. So Smart Scan's on, hit search. And so what I'll do, because this is going to take a few moments, is I'll pause the video and we'll come back when the search is complete. All right, I'm back and the search has completed and it's found a lot of files for us. So first things first, I'll tell you about these headers. So you've got name, path, type, size, date modified, and the condition of the file. All these can be sorted. So right now, by default, it's sorted by the name. We can sort it by the path, type, size, and so forth. Also, when you click on this select all, it's going to select all of these files so you can recover all of them. Or you can go through and just select specific ones. So if you know, for instance, you're looking for maybe it was an ActiveX file. So let's just, for instance, I'm going to select this one and I'll select another one. Maybe it was this ADML file. I can select this one and I can go ahead and recover these selected files. So let's see what happens when I hit this button. So it's going to work at recovering those files. And you see down here, total files recovered 2. So we can actually see. Now remember, I'm sending these files to the drive that I specified earlier in the video. Okay, so when you click view, this is where it's going to go ahead and pop up the specified location that you chose earlier. So earlier, remember, I selected to save it on my local external disk, this local disk D up here in this folder. And you can see the 2 files that I have selected. One was the ActiveX, one was the ADML, and I selected these files earlier from the results. And here they are, safe and sound and found. How about that? All right, there you have it. That's how you use Search and Recover, the easy solution to find those accidentally deleted files, whatever they are, and get them recovered and put it back in a safe and secure spot. So remember, you have this tool, whether you have System Mechanic Pro or System Mechanic Ultimate Defense, and we hope you've enjoyed this video.